Welcome to Granada, Spain, a city steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty. Tucked away in the foothills of the Sierra Nevada mountains, Granada is one of the most breathtaking destinations in all of Europe. With its winding streets, charming plazas, and world-famous landmarks, it's no wonder that this city has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries. In this ultimate travel guide, we'll take you on a journey through the top things to do in Granada, giving you an insider's view of the best sights and experiences this incredible city has to offer. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more. You can also click the Spain Places playlist link in the description below to learn more about this amazing country. Things to see in Granada. The Alhambra. The Alhambra is one of the most iconic landmarks in Spain and is undoubtedly the crown jewel of Granada. This fortress and palace complex dates back to the 13th century and is a masterpiece of Islamic architecture. The Alhambra was constructed by the Nasrid dynasty, the last Muslim rulers of the Iberian Peninsula, and was designed to be a reflection of their wealth, power, and sophistication. The Alhambra's sprawling grounds are dotted with gardens, fountains, and courtyards, and the intricate detail of the stucco and tile work is breathtaking. The complex is divided into three main parts: the 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐿, the Palacios Nazaris, and the Generalife. The 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐿 is the oldest part of the Alhambra and was originally built as a fortress to protect the city from invasion. The tower of the 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐿, known as the Torre de la Vela, offers some of the best views of Granada and the surrounding landscape. Tips for visiting the Alhambra. Visiting the Alhambra is a must-do when in Granada, but it's important to plan ahead. The complex is very popular and can get very crowded, especially during peak season. It's best to book your tickets in advance and arrive early to beat the crowds. You'll need at least half a day to explore the Alhambra fully, so plan accordingly. The Albaicín. This historic neighborhood in Granada is a maze of narrow cobblestone streets, whitewashed buildings, and hidden squares. It's the perfect place to get lost for an afternoon, wandering through the alleys and admiring the views of the Alhambra from different angles. Be sure to stop in at one of the many tapas bars or artisan shops that line the streets, and soak in the vibrant energy of this unique and charming neighborhood. Day trip to Sierra Nevada. Just a short drive from Granada, the Sierra Nevada mountain range is a nature lover's paradise. The rugged peaks and valleys offer endless opportunities for hiking, skiing, and outdoor adventure. Take a cable car up to the top of Valletta, one of the highest peaks in Spain, and soak in the breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Catedral de Granada. A marvel of Renaissance architecture, the Catedral de Granada, also known as the Cathedral of the Incarnation, is one of the most impressive examples of Renaissance architecture in Spain. The cathedral was built on the site of a former mosque in the 16th century, and was designed by a team of architects and artists including Diego de Silo, Alonso Cano, and Gaspar Becerra. The cathedral's facade is adorned with statues of saints, kings, and angels, and features intricate carvings and reliefs. The interior of the cathedral is just as impressive, with soaring vaulted ceilings, elaborate chapels, and ornate altarpieces. The nave of the cathedral is one of the widest in Europe, and features rows of imposing Corinthian columns. One of the highlights of the Catedral de Granada is the Royal Chapel, which is located within the cathedral complex. The Royal Chapel was built in the 16th century as a burial site for the Catholic monarchs, Queen Isabella I of Castile and King Ferdinand II of Aragon, who are both buried in the chapel. The Royal Chapel also houses a museum that displays a collection of artwork and religious artifacts. Plaza de San Nicolas. For one of the best views of the Alhambra, head to this picturesque square in the heart of the Albaicín. From here, you can see the palace lit up at night, and soak in the vibrant energy of Granada's street performers and musicians. Grab a drink at one of the nearby rooftop bars, and watch the sunset over the city. From the stunning Alhambra to the charming streets of the Albaicín, Granada is a city that truly has it all. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and natural beauty, it's no wonder that this city has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries. We hope you've enjoyed our ultimate travel guide to the top things to do in Granada, and that it inspires you to visit this incredible city in person. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Granada is sure to leave a lasting impression. Safe travels. Hope this list helps you organize the perfect trip to Granada. If you love this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.